Hopefully this stuff is working. Are we live or are we not? I don't know. Oh, didn't get triggered here. I don't have the stream up yet. Let me pull that up. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm having a lot of technical difficulties this morning as I am switching over to a new PC. I don't have the new PC. I don't have the new PC yet running, actually. This is still the old PC, but all new cabling and stuff. So, and my camera card, the capture card, is in the new PC, so I had to use the old one, and that wasn't working. A few other things are not working, so the mixer wouldn't work. The power adapter I used, I guess, wasn't powerful enough. You would think I would check that beforehand. No. So here I am. Just getting prepped for next week, guys. All next week. My friend's still visiting till this, so forgive me. It's late nights. Still gotta pull up the P&L. P&L is good, guys. P&L is good. No worries there. I'll show you the opening range trade in a bit. Trying to catch the two-legged pullback here as soon as we get one. Good morning, Corey. Good morning. We got two Corys. Got Corey and Corey. Sean, buenos dias, amigo. Mr. Begbie, Master M&Q. Master M&Q. Interesting name. Because what if you graduate to NQ? Then what? I guess you could change your name, but then no one's going to know who you are. We will be doing a giveaway for some Apex evals today. All right, got my first pullback here. And I'll wait for the second pullback now. All right, this desk is a little bit low. Let's go up a little bit. I think I'm going to start trading on the upper monitor, like upper screen, and then use this screen for like different things. Because looking down on this screen is going to hurt my back, my neck. All right, this is the second pullback. We're gonna go for it right here. Very heavy to the downside this morning, though. Ideally, we could retest the lows, but we do have some support here too, so not a bad location. We had a pretty nice sell-off. Right, a lot of red candles here, so two-legged pullback could be a solid trade here. All right, I'm in. Going for 40 ticks on this one. And I'll stop out probably... Actually, the volatility is pretty high. I can't stop out full stop. So hopefully the trap works here. Nope, did not. Okay, I went for 3 contracts. That's why. No, 2 contracts. Volatility is much higher today than I expected. It's all right. Next one, we'll get it. Maybe at the double bottom would be better. All right, first two-legged pullback that did not work at all. That's not bad. Not all of them are gonna work. I don't even care if it's London or Asian. I look at the overnight lows or overnight highs. I don't distinguish between the two. Still gotta pull up my P&L here, guys. And I'm looking down on the screen. It looks terrible on the camera. Yeah, okay. I'll have to figure that out. Right now I'm looking at my trading screen. It looks terrible on camera, no? I'm looking down too much. I did a new layout of my monitor, so I'm trying to figure out what's best. Do I have top step? No, actually I might have an eval with top step. Let me check. Let me see if I have one. Let's take profit. No. I don't have any top step. Can't get any more, and if I can't do rhythmic until like if Project X makes it where you could copy trade brackets, then I'll do it. But right now I want to get back to Phidias. Phidias made some awesome changes that they talked about. I am loaded with Elite Trader Funding accounts. I have 6 accounts of Elite Trader Funding now. Did the beat the beast challenge yesterday, $4,000. Passed 3, failed 1. Not bad. Wasn't even like that difficult with full size. Got lucky. Could have lost easily. Posted it in my Discord. Oh, he's at 1.5 million now. Jeez. Well, definitely makes sense. He's a professional milker. He might be the best trader I know personally, as far as like. So you have Kane who takes who took out 2 million. You have Jade Cap who took out like 2 million, whatever it was. This guy Ocala has taken out 1.5 million dollars every day. Okay, we're talking about getting paid out every day, grinding, getting a paycheck every day, not a big lump sum at once. And I admire that more because it's more relatable to me, right? He didn't just go on a hot streak and do it. I'm not saying Kane or Jade Cap did that because they're great traders. It's just for me they're not relatable. Like I'll never get there. So versus what Ocala is doing, I could get there. It's just I need the bigger accounts. I need the bigger accounts, and I need to not make those stupid mistakes. But he loses accounts too once in a while. Like he makes the same mistakes we all do. It's very, very relatable. And he's an awesome dude. I talked to him, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take this one more time. How's the new setup? I don't have it set up yet. I have the new layout set up, but not. I'm still using my old PC. So the way I ran the cables is I put the new PC on the desk, and I'm starting to like run it. I played video games on it, so I know it works. But I ran the cables where I could just reroute the cables from my screens to the old PC, and like this is the keyboard for a new PC. It's pretty nice. And then I have a keyboard for the old PC. So technically like a dual setup. Starting tomorrow, I might be streaming on the new PC, but trading on the old PC. Let's see if I can get triggers here. Still acting heavy. I'm kind of lucky there, so let me just move that up a little bit. Might have to wait to break like this. Make like a... See, it keeps rejecting. Hopefully when it goes, it goes. But I might want to retest this damn low. Still weak. Oh god, I have to put the subscriber mode on today because I don't know what's happening. Take one loss and all of a sudden things go crazy in the chat. Jeez, guys, relax. Just focus on your own trading. It's not that serious. You missed the long? I don't know if you missed the long. It's not going yet. Well, the long is going to go once it gets above, like... How did the opening range... Oh, we have the opening range. The retest of the opening range. Why did I take that? Oh, no, never mind. I thought this red line was the low of the opening range. But that was not the... Too many lines on my chart right now. Can you guys see the chart better today? I changed the resolution on that to test it. Yeah, we might get a bigger sell-off though. This might not be done yet. See if we save this trap, that'll be amazing. No, I don't watch Russell. The only thing I watch is NQNES. I guess we have to wait either for the lows or to just get above this consolidation here and then look for a long. This account will have one more bullet in it. To 50K. Okay, I'm out. Got $938 left, so I'm gonna risk that on the next trade. Hopefully we get down to lows. That'll be the best. Yes, I won the ORT. Let me pull up the ORT chart and so the opening range trade was kind of tricky today. Thought I played it really well. I avoided this. I avoided this this short trigger here. And I got long and I kind of instantly won. But if I got triggered short, yeah, would have been stopped out again and would have been the winner, so it would have been pissing me off. So not bad. See, now no one sees the loss. See, maybe I shouldn't have P&L on the screen like some other guys. See, now no one knows I lost on the last two trades. Everyone thinks I'm green. Just kidding. Let me try to get it up here on the screen. P&L, P&L, P&L. Okay. Step one. It's not the one. Okay. Just gonna log out of Elite Trader Funding really quick. I activated 2 of the 250Ks. Do we have them? Yeah, boy. See, the cool thing about 250, look, cool thing about Elite Trader Funding is they refund you. I always forget about that. They refund you the eval fee. They add it to your balance. Doesn't seem like much, but it's technically a refund. It's a genius way of giving a refund without really giving a refund. So see how it starts at $51.50? That's because I paid $51 for that eval. All right. All right, maybe now, maybe now. I take a stab at it. Final try here. Okay, we're getting above here. Well, of course, now it's not going to give me an entry, bastards. Yeah, it's not really a refund because obviously you can't take that money out. Can't take out the safety net. So, but it is a refund. Oh, no. No. That is not what I wanted to do. Oof. Yep. It doesn't hurt them. It doesn't really do anything for us, but makes us feel better, and it's a win-win. I really like their beat the beast. That's the only way I pass their evals is the beat the beast. I really passed a 150K eval making $1,000, guys. Then $2,000, and now it was $3,000, and now it was $4,000. So they keep changing it. But if it's $1,000, you can only do 1 eval. When it's $2,000, you could do 2 evals. When it's $3,000, you could do 3 evals. When it's $4,000, you could do 4 evals. I did 4 evals yesterday, but I failed one. And I didn't feel like doing one more. I was close to passing it too. Not pass. I was like up like 2,300 maybe. And then it reversed on me. Okay, I'm in. So my first pullback here. This is the second pullback. If this doesn't work, then we're in trouble on this account. I have to go for a bigger target to even save this account. Let me go for 20 points. Even that's not going to be. Just can't get the right easy trade here. Account 451 might be at its final stages here. How is it I can't get a single freaking trade going my direction? one day, right? And other days it's like everything goes. That's trading, but it's frustrating as hell. Yeah, it's gonna blow this account. I added there one in case it's a trap and it bounces up. I'll sell that, add, and then give myself more room to breathe. But nope. It's gonna bottom tick me and stop me out. Ugh. Okay, this account's gone. Okay, we got one account that's blown. 043 on it. 043. Volatility is decent. Just can't get a two-legged pullback to work today. I will probably not take another one unless we retest these lows or something changes. I'm going to try to avoid this range here. It's just not working. Have I ever used enter trade? No. Nope, I have not. I don't really see the reason to. It's so like old school, 10 or 15-day eval. Like, they don't want to waste 15 days for an eval. Or 10, unless it's a really... Oh, guys, great news. Let's celebrate together. We are back on the Take Profit Trader train. First ever payout with a 50K account. I mean, 150K account. First ever payout with a 150K account. Okay, now we could work on other ones. I'm working on one more. And I have two more that I haven't started working on. But with this payout, I'm not going to reset. But if I win tomorrow and I take out $1,000 tomorrow, I'll use this $1,500 that I made to reset 125K, which is $440. Yeah, 10 days for an eval is extremely long, and it's a waste of time for most traders who are scaling up. If you're new and stuff, then it's different. But if you're scaling up in contracts and in accounts, then doing evals for that long when you actually have to pay attention to the eval is distraction, and it takes away from your actual trading and money. I have trade day. I just keep forgetting. To add it to the copy trader. Actually, I can't even log in. It says invalid login. I gotta check if they changed the password or something. But I have 3 trade day evals that I haven't even started. But the reason why I'm not trading with trade day is because I blew my Take Profit Trader accounts. And when I blew my Take Profit Trader accounts, there's no reason to trade with trade day if I don't have full 5 Take Profit Trader accounts. Because Take Profit Trader is still better than trade day. But yeah, I'm not reading the market well right now. I thought it was going to be good. I was kind of excited for this sell-off, but not sure where my next trade will be. Can't be in this consolidation. There's just no way. It's too much chop. We got to either break out or break down. Breakdown will be probably better. Overnight lows are right here. That'll be good. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Yeah, I mean Apex is okay, but for sure I hate that it does this. For sure I gotta be careful with the accounts that are on the safety net side. So how many accounts do I have at safety net? I got one. Like Elite Trader Funding, 3 days, $4,694 in 3 days. Today's Wednesday. That's the 250K potential. I mean, I get 1 or 2 more wins on this, and it's at safety net at buffer, and I size down, and then as long as I'm like 23% of this number, which is like $300 something, that's all I need. I need like, I'm gonna do like 500 holidays. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, no, this account always skews me because this is a past eval that's stuck and it won't disappear from my dashboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so 15 accounts at safety net. Goal will be to get to like 25 accounts at safety net by end of July, going into August. I'm not worried about my August payouts, guys. I'm not worried about my August payouts. I just want to have a clean slate going into August with nice built accounts and see where we could take it. See if we could go for 100K a month. Tradeify, I'm still far from payouts. This one I am $2,000 away from a payout. And then these just got to green today after almost hitting the loss. Took me a while to get them back to green, but sized down a little bit. And I had to size down because obviously I had like no drawdown left. But save the accounts. See? If I just don't do stupid things, I could, might take me a couple of weeks to recover, but better recovering than trying to pass new evals at this stage, trying to save the costs. But here's my real plan. Okay, this is my real plan. When I do the 150K accounts or 250K accounts, once I'm at buffer, I'm going to size down, right? I'm going to size down. I'm going to make $200, $300, $400, $500 a day. When I take a loss, next day I'll take normal size. If I win, then the following day I'll take bigger size, the same size I would take that when I'm under the buffer, right? So I'll make like $1,000, $1,200 or something like that. So that's going to be the goal, or at least the plan. So if I take a loss, it's not going to take me 2 weeks to recover. It's going to take me just a few days. Do I copy trade everything with TradeSyncer? No, I do not. I only copy trade one account with TradeSyncer. All right, so here's how it works. So this account, should have never clicked that. This account copies into this account, and then this account copies into these accounts, okay? in different ratios. This is half the ratio. I'm gonna size up on this. Tomorrow I'm gonna size up. Make them all 840. Even though I should go for bigger days. Do I have more than 20 Apex PAs? No, that's not allowed. I don't even have 20. I don't even have 20, sir. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Something's off. You are right. What's going on? I thought I had 16. You know what? I don't know if that's ever happened to you guys, but like sometimes you pay, it doesn't activate the account. Has that ever happened to you? I wonder if I had like a back. PA charts. Yeah, 16 accounts. What is going on? I'm gonna log into my Rhythmic because I have no idea what's going on. That might screw me up. What the hell's... Oh, yeah. Hold on, let me log out and log in. Scared the hell out of me. I was like, did I just trade accounts I can't even trade and they're gonna like kill them? And you know what? When I looked at the opening range, I'm like, I feel like I didn't trade a lot of accounts. Like, yeah, it's the dashboard. Just duplicating the accounts. These are my accounts. So much easier to see. I still love the Rhythmic. Okay, there we go. Makes sense. Wow, I got nervous there for a second. I'm like, because you know how many times I've paid for an account and doesn't like activate right away, and I'm not the type of person who's gonna send a ticket in right away. And I was like, did some accounts get like caught in the? Sometimes they don't activate. If you like activate, that's why they ask you to do monthly or lifetime. Like if you do both, it might like get stuck and not activate. I do have one eval to activate. I could replace this. I wasn't gonna activate it for. Actually, no, I don't have. I must have activated it. I don't have any evals right now. Just these 25Ks, which I wish I could give away because I'm not even gonna do them. I don't want 25K accounts anymore. 8K in profit. Oh, they did that again. You're talking about the code, right, Corey? That happened once before. Okay, now we're not getting data. That's great. The market's moving a little bit. Okay, we don't need 5 days. Apex data is not loading now. Come on. Now we're getting a spike. You enter with 14 contracts? They might even remove that. What account size? Of course, I'm not trading. $250K account. Damn, you used 14 contracts for PPI. You really sent it, bro. Oh wait, PPI was today. PPI was today. You could maybe lose some of that profit on purpose. I thought you were saying CPI. CPI was yesterday. How was PPI, by the way? I did not even look. Damn, so clean. Wow, passing evals and moves like this. So good. I don't really have any evals I want to pass right now, though. Look, besides like evals I actually have to trade, like I can't pass take profit trader on PPI, right? I guess Phidias is gonna be my next news trade. I'm gonna try to get some Phidias evals as long as they have a sale, and then I'm not gonna copy trade with Phidias though. I am scared. Unless I do it through TradeSyncer, but or maybe Replicanto. I could do it through Replicanto. Yeah, I could do it the real account. NinjaTrader. No, they don't have NinjaTrader. Oh, it's always something. Always something. Yeah, Arthur, how much money do you have? 267,000. Don't you have to make 150 a day on Fiddies? I don't even know. That doesn't matter really, does it? But what I didn't know, well, what I found out yesterday is like, because I was excited for the 150K accounts that they have. But if you get a 150K account, that counts for like two 50K accounts. It's not optimal, but I might still do it. 265, so that's 17,000 times 0.3. $5,000 could be your biggest day. Yeah, Benjamin, I think that's what it is. I thought it was at buffer, but Camber, she reached out to me and she's like, no, it's double, 2 times the buffer, not just above the buffer. I've seen them remove that profit before. If you do 140, they won't count as a day trade or traded day. That's fine. As long as it's clearly laid out, I am all for it. But this new PC is a beast, guys. It runs Warzone, the video game I play, at full settings, maxed out, maxed frames that my monitor allows, full resolution, like a champ. I'm glad I didn't get the 5090. It would have been overkill. Pentium? I don't remember that. I remember Pentium, but I don't remember computers that well back then. I remember like my first ever computer at home that I used was in Windows XP already. And I don't remember what was it Pentium was back then? I don't know what processors were back then. I remember when PCs were like Intel dual core. That was like the shit. Oh man. And then quad core came out. Oh my god, everyone lost their mind. I think I'm too old. Well, for me, it's like in Poland, we didn't get a PC because we knew we were moving to the States, right? We knew we were moving to the US anytime. So we didn't want to spend the money. So we just gamed on PlayStation. I waited 5 years for my visa to the US. So like there's some things I missed out on the childhood because we didn't know when we're gonna get the visa. And as soon as we get the visa, we're out. So PlayStation with Metal Gear Solid, that was my favorite game. And you hide in the boxes and stuff. And then I used to do like all the PlayStations were rigged. So you had to put a fake CD that reads the game, and then you put a I don't know, what do you call it? What's the name of a fake game? Pirated or something? Let me see. Nintendo 64. I've played it on my friend's system, so like Sega Genesis. Um, Obviously games like Tony Hawk, um, Dave Mirra BMX. I mean, just the music alone in those games. Soccer games, basketball games I played. I didn't play football, obviously, because football was not a thing in Poland. I also like the adventurous games. FIFA, yeah, but I preferred Winning 11 or Pro Evolution Soccer. That was a much better game when it comes to strategies, the detail that you could create, with the players, and as far as the skill level goes, and way more realistic for the time. But they didn't have duck hunting was the best, yeah. Oh yeah, we're talking about Nintendo now. Damn, yeah, Nintendo was, man, talk about golden days, man. How did they make duck hunting even work? How did that, like, to this day, I don't know how that, how did that know where you're aiming at the screen? That was some high tech for the time. That was some high tech for that time. But hit the likes, guys. The screen changes colors for a split second, and the gun reads if it's pointed at the right colored square. Yeah, Crash Bandicoot was amazing. I was gonna mention that earlier. Oh, did you guys ever play Worms? Worms Armageddon? Oh man, that might have been my all-time favorite PC game at that time. Man, we had it simple. Today's RB got me partially filled. Did you go long or short? What'd you get filled in? Short? Yeah, I went long. So I got my fill, but why am I only using 2 contracts on this 150K? I gotta change that. This is account 447. Okay, we gotta increase the size. Account 447. And then account. This one copies into Replicanto, so I got to keep it that size. 414, I could definitely size down. Yeah, why is that on 3? Should be on 1 now. Ball locks, I'm going to size down a little bit. 551. I don't think I could take a payout from it yet. This market's slow now, guys. Hopefully we get a trade again. Pretty good for scalping, probably. Can we try scalping an eval just to practice? See how volatile it is for scalping. Again, I'm terrible at renewing or canceling my evals, so this is a 25K eval that if I pass, I'm not even going to activate. If I did activate it before news, I would just send it on the news, full port, which is 2 contracts on the 25K. Hope to make 5 grand on it and then trade it like it's a 50K. Do you only pick one direction for the ORB? No. Even though I place the order only in one direction, but I don't pick the direction initially. The market dictates that. But sometimes I do place both sides. It's just rare lately because when I place the order, I get filled pretty quick. They're gonna make new worms, but it's not gonna be the same. No one's gonna want to play that. That simple of a game doesn't do justice anymore for our brains. It's not the same anymore. Back then we liked simple things. Now it's like when the new iPhone came out, right? The first one ever. And then the following year a new iPhone came out, then the Android came out, and it was like exciting. Every year something was like really new. Like the kids nowadays don't realize how technology changed over the last 20 years. Like 20 years ago, there was no smartphones. Like if you had a sidekick, you could type with a full keyboard. Otherwise, you had to freaking type with, you know, ABC on one and then CDE on two, and you got to press it twice or three times to get the letter you want. Oh man. Yeah, scalping is pretty good in this. Volatility, it's still decently volatile. It's just choppy as hell. Forgot to tell this story, but recently, maybe a week ago, maybe 15, 20 minutes from me, there's a golf course, and a 28-year-old got killed by a lightning strike. That is so sad. And one of the photographers that I know was there. I never knew lightning could be so dangerous. It probably depends on the lightning strike. Apex is 90% off with wealth charts. Well, I have a friend that freaking loves wealth charts, and he's been saying he's going to get back to trading when they have 90% off. No, wealth charts only works for wealth charts. Can someone confirm that is true? I didn't get an email or anything. Speaking of earn to trade, they just reached out to me for affiliate partnership. Oh, I'm not subscribed to wealth charts emails. Okay, code wealth chart. Okay. Yeah, if you like wealth charts, go for it. Definitely not for me. Not for me. I would get used to it if I had to, but damn, that would suck. Whoa, what was that? What just happened? Well, that was the fastest way to blow an eval ever. Oh, it just happened. Who sneezed? Oh, something definitely just happened. Okay, let's get ready for maybe trading in a funded. I like to trade a 50K. Do I have any other 50Ks? No, I don't. Pretty much all my 50Ks are at buffer. Well, I lost $1,500 so freaking fast there. It was insane. Volatility is pretty, like, doesn't look that dangerous, but damn, it really is. There's nothing worse than chop and volatility at the same time, though. Volatility is good when there's like a little bit of a trend, but when it's just straight chop, like, how am I supposed to long this right now? Like, I don't know what happened here, but something happened. Almighty, let's go. That's good. I was on an eval, so I don't care, but glad you won. Yeah, someone's definitely botting him if he's got 13,000. He had 6,000 recently that was also botted. I don't know. I don't know he's made some enemies or something. I don't know. But I don't know. That happened to me one time too when I got botted. Everyone got botted at one day. There could be a two-legged pullback, but I don't know because it's so choppy. There's two-legged pullbacks everywhere right now, and it's just hard to say which direction it wants to go. Hopefully we do retest these damn lows. There was plenty of two-legged pullbacks. I don't know. The ones I took didn't work. I don't know why people would bot. I mean, I don't think it does anything. There we go. Go lower, please. See video. Top 1 futures exposed. Payout denied. It's a, you could tell it's clickbait.
Really good video on Austin's channel, ASFX. The founder of Top 1 Futures, Clay, was interviewed, and Clay gave a really genuine interview.
Tweeting at you, tagging everybody, hey, fix it. What did you guys do? We made it right. Exactly. And you gave him whatever he wanted, even if he may have been slightly in the wrong. I don't remember the exact detail, but I think that's a testament to
Points. Traders, how can 23 points be a tick scout? Trade number 2, 2.5 points. My third trade, 3 ticks. I got scared. I took a break even. If you want to cite me for tick scalping, that would be 1. Next trade, 4 points, 4 points, 2 points, 12.5 points, 2.75 points, 6 points, 2.25, 2.5, 3.5, 19.25. How can these trades be tick scalps? All right. They also.
Jeez. Just bouncing up and down like a yo-yo. Definitely a big range on this little. And this is a 50-point range right here, pretty much. Doesn't seem like a lot when you just look at the chart, but when you zoom in and you like scale it down, you're like, wow, 50 points right here in this quick. And this is almost 100 points. 75. This is 50 almost. Yeah, I went 0 for 3. Blur, my confidence is also kind of shot. I actually lost. Fortunately, I logged out of my account already. That sucks. Forgot I did that. I did lose one funded account. It's gone already because it's inactive. This doesn't show active. I mean, this does not show inactive accounts. So I have it up here. I lost one account. Yeah, it's the Asian dude, yeah.
Accuse me of high frequency scalping, all right? So I'm going to show you the total amount of trades that I did for these 12 trading days. On day 1, May 23, 20 trades. 20 trades because I never used Project X and I have to get used to the platform. So I went in and out of micros a whole bunch of times before I got accustomed to it. And besides, 20 trades is not high frequency trading. Day 2, 7 trades. Day 3, 2 trades. 1 trade, 1 trade. 2 trades, 5 trades, 2 trades, 2 trades, 1 trade, 9 trades, 4 trades. How can that be justified as ultra high frequency trading and tick scalping? Yes, those trades close in under 10 seconds, but they're not ultra high frequency trading, nor are they tick scalping. Okay, so I wrote back to Top 1. I said, hi Safars, please take a look at the points and profits made on some of those tick scalp trades. 23 points, 14.5, 19.25. I got in an excellent spot and was rewarded. How can a trader be penalized for making 10 plus points and closing the trades quickly to get out of risk? I can't help how fast the NQ moves sometimes. To be penalized for making 10 plus points quickly is highly unfair. May I please speak to someone about this? No one responded, so I wrote back, "Hi Safraz, I have carefully looked over my flag trades. I have worked very hard for ultra high frequency, also traded responsibly. I did not over leverage. I didn't use 15 contracts to try to get 1 or 2 ticks. You can see from my flag trades, I use 1 or 2 contracts. Those trades close quickly because of my trading strategy and because I got into areas of high liquidity, which I will share with everybody right now. The orb, opening range breakout, the break or retest of initial balance, the high and low of the day. And thanks to D. Anthony from Evolution Traders, when the 5-minute candle breaks above the 20 SMA or below the SMA, that's also a great area to scout. Top 1, your 10-second rule. The purpose of that rule is to protect your company against ultra high frequency scalping and to promote responsible trading. That is what the first sentence states. Okay, I did that. I did not break the rule. The only thing that I am guilty of is that I got into an area of high liquidity, and because of that, my trade closed quickly. So top 1, are you really punishing a trader for getting in zones of out of the $6,000 profit?
And I was muted this whole time. Unbelievable. I try to mute myself so you wouldn't hear the video in my mic as well. And guys, hit those likes. We got some Apex giveaways to do. I gotta check, make sure the codes work, because apparently they might not work. I might have to get new ones. That was top on futures. I was top on futures, so I wouldn't trade with them at all. Corey, I don't know what you were saying before, but it works on my thing. I think at least it works. Does it work? It won't let me hit next. Yeah, it should work. Corey, can you confirm with me that the code I gave you, because Corey is the best. Okay, the reason why we do giveaways a lot of times is because of Corey. So I got 5 codes to give away, and Corey won one of them. I just checked the code and it works. But yeah, I'm so excited. Finally. Finally. Take Profit Trader payout. Again, it's been a long time coming. It's my first one of July. I'm giving away any evals. It's a code, so you could get any evals you want. Highly recommend bigger evals nowadays. Take my $1,000 payout and buy more accounts, or just run with it. Run it with 2 and see what happens. You could spend like a couple $100. I'm not giving away Take Profit today. I don't have any accounts to give away on Take Profit. At least I don't think. Let me see. Rewards. We got a 25K Take Profit Trader giveaway. Okay, so the first person that wins today will get a choice. Whether they want Apex, should I give the 25K to my friend and just give away $50 instead? I don't know. Nah. We'll do a giveaway. Maybe the person will have a choice. 25K from Take Profit or any size evals. Okay, doesn't exist. Let me make sure I sent it properly for you. Wow, what a rip. 100 points up. 75 points up. Two-legged pullback works. But of course, when you have no confidence, it's hard. I'll do a trap. How many likes do we have though? How many likes do we have? Oh my god, what's with me getting caught in these damn moves? Come on. This is not tradable, guys. This is gonna keep happening. How am I supposed to trade this? I did not even know. How am I supposed to trade this when this just like the orders are not even going through? Oh my god. I don't care what top it was. It's not the point. The way it moves. There's no way this moves like this. All right, that's gonna be it. Let's just do a giveaway. I can't. I got caught twice in this. One on eval, one unfunded. Not much I could do about that. Two times I'm in a trade where it just like literally drops 175 points in 2 seconds. Like literally from here, 1607. Yeah, 1621. So a few seconds. But from here, 1607. Yeah, 3 seconds it dropped. In 3 seconds it dropped here. 50 points. Unbelievable. What a way to ruin. Obviously, this account is now gonna get denied a payout too, so might as well make it. Not only is it all over the place, but the way it moved. There's just no way this moved. Like someone said it was Syrian news, so that makes sense. But like, what are the odds? I'm waiting. Look, I waited. Ever since this drop, I've waited. I just patiently waited. I was like, let this settle down. This Powell news, let it settle down. And it looked like it settled down. So I went for a quick trap here. And this is why I don't usually place orders for traps. But literally got filled here and I was down 48 points in 3 seconds. I lose 2 funded accounts today because of the stupid freaking news. Of course, we're going to retest the lows. Watch. Retest the lows. Now we're going to bounce. It's going to be beautiful long. Oh, Pisses me off. All right, I'm done for today. Fuck this. Don't want to go on tilt, so I'm done. Let's just do one giveaway. Let's do a quick giveaway. We'll save the giveaway for a better day, but we'll do one giveaway today for sure. All this hard work gone. All this hard work gone because of stupid freaking news. Unbelievable. At least I didn't get bottom ticked. Watch this two-legged pullback is gonna be perfect. I just had to wait for the freaking low of the day. Just an eval, just to going for 76 ticks, 40 ticks I would have had already. Nope, almost came to passing it. That's today is a nightmare day. Not that I want these evals. I want to blow them on purpose because I don't want 25K. I wouldn't even activate it. Even if I passed it, I wouldn't activate it. I'm just trying to see if I could get a trade that wins. Right now, I can't. I got to go and cancel all my 25Ks and even my 50K evals. I want to cancel them. Maybe leave like one or two. In case Apex doesn't have a sale. But usually when you blow accounts, you're going to get 80% off in your email anyway. So I might just cancel them because I only want to have 150K accounts now. 50Ks I'll do when I'm like struggling, and I need to get, you know, I need to get some accounts going because it's much easier to pass. But this is crazy. This is insanity. This is something that we kind of needed to shake things up. But I was on the wrong side of things, so it is what it is. Costing me 2 funded accounts. 2 funded accounts. Literally 0 for like 6 on the stream. Or 5. If I include the eval. It's a joke. How sometimes just nothing works. All right, guys, we're going to do a giveaway for a 25K Take Profit Trader eval or any size Apex eval. We're going to pick 2 people. The first person will get to choose. If they pick Apex, then the second person will still have a choice. If hold on, let me just pass this eval here. Actually, I'm going to do on a Take Profit Trader eval. Oh, this market's insane. Sorry guys, it closed. Let me just resume it. Why do I keep getting the tops? How am I getting the tops and it always pulls back? Even though it's going up, it just pulls back every time I enter. This reminds me of like why I struggled so much in the volatility during March. All I had to do is wait for the damn lows. Right here. And then wait for it to like a pullback. Would have been a way different day. But you lose patience. You lose patience. Really? Another news event. Maybe it's just continuously going, and then selling is just insane. Yeah, I need to go away. I'm going away as soon as we do a giveaway, but today is not my day. Today is my enemy. But as long as it's not my day on regular trading, I'll take that. As long as the ORB pays, it's all that matters. It's all that matters. Oh, Trump is speaking. Oh, I thought he was just like tweeting. I don't know what the news is, but man, this is killing me today. It's a good day to be a short seller. Let's put it that way. If you are a short seller, you are good to go today. You are killing it. All right, these sounds are not it. They are delayed. Come on, let's just get this 150K eval at least to like $3,000 in profit. At least give me that. Nope. Going right down the drain. Oh, thank God today's limited to just 2 fundeds lost. Man, if I was copy trading today would have been a disaster day. Today would have been a disaster. If I was copy trading, I know I would have went on tilt. All right, guys. Here's okay. I was gonna say as soon as this blows, we're gonna do a giveaway. Okay, that's it for me. That's it with trading. Fuck this. I am gonna go enjoy the day. It's my last full day with my friends from Cali. Tomorrow I have a wedding. I'll probably stream tomorrow for like an hour. I have a wedding tomorrow. Friday, probably no stream because I'm not gonna get home till like 3 a.m. tomorrow. So gonna do my opening range trade and go back to bed for a nap. And I gotta go to the airport. Did I get new tires on the car? Yeah, let me show you. actually. Yeah, I got new tires, new wheels. I tinted it. I don't like the tints. I might take the tints off. Too dark. I like to see the interior of this baby. Spent so much money on the interior. I want to be able to see it. I might just leave. In this picture, it looks like this is tinted, but it's not. I might just leave the back window tinted and these sides tinted and then take off the front. It's gray. Chalk. I got a track day next week as well. I did get the Apex. So Apex is 90% off with wealth charts. Not interested for me, but if anyone is. What a sell-off, guys. What a sell-off. This reminds me of March tariff market. This is why I struggled. Now, I was trying to remember why did I struggle during the tariff market, and today was a clear reminder as to why I was struggling. I was like, there was volatility. It should be good. But no. It's not how it works. But if you were short selling today, was today difficult? Yeah, I got the 4S's. It's not a performance tire for me. It's a street tire, you know. I don't drive crazy on the street at all. I've owned a Porsche since 2018. I only been pulled over once. I wasn't even going fast. I think I was going like 75 and the 55 maybe. Krister, nope. We're gonna do a giveaway here, guys, in 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see if this two-legged pullback works. Yeah, this one works. But see, they all worked. It's just I was going for big targets. If I went for 20 ticks, I would have been fine. There she goes. This is the beauty. This is the A plus. Already up a lot. But whatever. Not my day. Today was a horrible, horrible day. I lost 2 funded accounts, 2 evals. But good news is my opening range trade killed it today, and I'm getting a payout from Take Profit Trader. My first payout of the month with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, it's very good volatility for evals. It's a good point. Especially the ones you could pass in one day. All right, guys, let's do it. I'm going to pick 2 people. They must be present. And the first person will get to pick between a 25K take profit or any size Apex. Okay, so we're giving away 2 any size Apex evals and 1 25K take profit. Obviously, first come, first serve. So whoever gets to pick first will get to if both people choose Apex, we'll do the giveaway of take profit tomorrow or some other day. Of course, now it goes, man. Such bad timing today. Such bad timing. And of course I didn't take it here. Fuck, why did I take it here? Could have done another eval. I have one more eval here. This eval I'm just going to try to pass with the opening range trade, but could have done one more eval here. How much would I have possibly made? Oh well, what are you going to do? And you can't long now because any second now Trump could say something and it could just dump 50 points in 2 seconds like it did on me twice. So it's like now it's too late. All right, let's do a giveaway and let's call it a day. Call it a day. Definitely no need to tilt or do anything stupid. Okay. Close entries. And let's pick a first winner. First winner of today's giveaway is Victor Hansen. Is Victor in the house? While we do wait for Victor to respond, we're going to resume so Camila and PHC could enter. All right, Victor, what do you want? Do you want an Apex any size eval or do you want a Take Profit Trader eval? Does the Take Profit Trader have activation fee? Yes, it does. $130 once you pass. All right, Take Profit Trader going to you. Send me an email with your Take Profit Trader. You have a Take Profit Trader account, right? So you need to have one in order to get it because it's not a code. They transfer it from my account to yours because I have a credit for 25K. Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right, we're gonna pick one more person for an Apex eval. So if you can't trade with Apex, I'm sorry, but you could give it to someone else. Yeah, if you get a free eval from Take Profit, you pay activation fee. All right, closing it in 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let me just see if my friend's up, actually. Hold on, you got another 20 seconds. All right, guys, good luck. Second winner of the Apex giveaway is... Oh, no. Oh, no. I know for a fact Jason can't trade with Apex. Jason, I'm gonna send you $25 because I like Jason, and all right, Jason's gonna give it up. Can I gift a membership to Jason? All right, thanks, Jason. Sorry. All right, we're gonna pick one more. Barnabas. Is Barnabas here? All right, and you could trade with Apex. Awesome. Send me an email. All right, since we've done it, let's brighten up the mood. Let's do one more. Okay, I got 4 codes to give away, so I give out 1 so far. So we could do one more, and then we'll save the other 2 for next stream. All right. What a shitty day today, guys. Oh. But I'm not going to complain. I'm just going to walk away, and then damage is done, and damage is limited. It's a fender bender, not an accident. Just a fender bender. It was my lowest balance, 150K. Actually, no, that wasn't my lowest balance. Damn it. My second lowest balance. Oh, Blasted, yeah, that 1% is what killed me. Just couldn't get a single trade on stream. I lost on every single trade on stream. I went 0 for 5, I believe. Not including the evals. Pretty sad. I got caught in the news twice. Literally, it's been like a news type of driven market, but the spike down where you're down 50 points in a second, I got caught in that twice. Like I entered and then boom. It never happened to my direction though. All right, let's pick one more. Good luck. And the winner of another Apex eval is Rich Dusa. Congratulations. That means you entered the giveaway. There's Rich. Send me an email, Rich, if you could trade with Apex. Of course, because it's an Apex eval. I'll send you a code and you're good to go. Oh, Jason, let me buy you a 50K Bullnox eval then. Can you have another Bullnox eval? I've never seen anyone do a giveaway for Bullnox. I don't think they do those. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today it was shitty, but I'm going to just go back to the opening range trade really quick. Opening range trade was good. Tricky, but good. It's crazy how little I need of profit to make so much money. 2 funded accounts blown from Apex. So it's not pretty. Down to 14 accounts now. See, another spike. Of course, the news couldn't happen to me in the positive. But you could tell like this spike is just news driven, right? There's something being said. That's why the market's moving like this. It's not price action. It's It sucks. I feel like I'm missing out now. Now that we hit the bottom. Well, actually, never mind. But yeah. Now that bottom seems like it's in. I'm getting FOMO, but I thought the bottom was in here. I thought the bottom was in here, and the bottom was not there. So very erratic. Yep. Rich, did you send me an email? And if you did, can you give me the last or the 4 numbers in your email? I just don't want to send it to someone that is pretending to be you, since your name does not match the stream name. Sounds good, Victor. I am gonna email Take Profit now, and then they're gonna transfer it over. You just type in Alpine in the chat, but you have to be here when we do it. Okay, that was you, Rich. Okay. F trades, let's go. Yep. Take Profit Trader is unreal. I am glad to be back on the payout train today. I'm gonna be taking out I believe I'll be able to take out $560. And then hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to take out 1,000. That'll be nice. And then when I take that out, I'm gonna reset one account, 125K. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Next week we'll stream longer. Next week I am off from work the following weekend. So next week I'm gonna have a new setup done. My new PC, everything's gonna be set up, ready to go. So we'll do some longer streams. I feel like we get a lot more viewers in the afternoons. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Tough day, but again, stopping the bleeding, and it's the best thing we could do is when things are not going well to just stop and walk away, even though I do have FOMO because the market's moving a lot, right? So when it's moving a lot, it feels like there's opportunity, but clearly when I took the opportunity, it just didn't work. So I took in the wrong spots. Later, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Congrats to all the winners. Good luck on those accounts.